Revenue is one of the most important factors when starting a new small business path to get into. But how can you do proper research and pick the right one? Well, in this video, we will be diving into the step-by-step guide you can take to do essential research in different business industries and pick the right one for you. I'll be mentioning a few different sources you can look into while breaking down each one to make it as clear as possible for you. My hope for you by the end of the video is to have clear, actionable steps you can take right away to get your six-figure business path rolling ASAP. So identifying potential industries, consider your interests, skills, expertise, research industries that align with your passions and where you see potential demand. Look for sectors experiencing growth or undergoing significant changes, as these may present opportunities for new businesses. Utilize government and industry reports. Government agencies such as the Bureau of Economic Analysis, Census Bureau, and relevant industry associations often publish reports containing valuable data on industry revenue, growth rates, and trends. These reports are typically available online and may be free to access. Subscription-based websites like IBIS World, Statista, and MarketResearch.com. They offer comprehensive industry reports, market analysis, and revenue projections. Explore these resources to gain deeper insights into specific industries of your interest. Another way is keep up with financial news and analysis from reputable sources like Bloomberg, Forbes, and the Wall Street Journal. These publications often feature articles on industry performance, revenue trends, and market outlooks, providing valuable insights for your research. And then look into company filings and annual reports. Publicly traded companies are required to file annual reports with regulatory agencies such as the Securities and Exchange Commissions, such as the SEC in the United States. These reports contain detailed financial information, including revenue figures, which can be accessed through online databases like the SEC's EDGAR system. Reach out to professionals working in your target industries, such as industry experts, consultants, or business advisors. They can offer valuable insights based on their experience and knowledge of market dynamics, revenue potential, and growth opportunities. Just maybe don't say you're going to be a competitor to them. Conduct local market research to understand the demand for your products or services in your area. This may involve surveys, focus groups, or analyzing local economic data to assess consumer preferences, purchasing behavior, and market trend specifics to your region. And then evaluate revenue potential. Just analyze the revenue potential of each industry by examining factors such as market size, growth trends, and profit margins. Consider the competitive landscape, barriers to entry, and regulatory environment to determine the attractiveness of each industry in terms of revenue generation. Look beyond short-term revenue figures and assess the long-term prospects of each industry. Consider factors such as technological advancements, shifts in consumer behavior, and regulatory changes that may impact future revenue potential and sustainability. Another way is to seek professional advice. If you're uncertain about interpreting the data or making a decision, seek advice from financial advisors, business consultants, or mentors with expertise in the industry you're considering. They can provide valuable guidance and help you make informed decisions about starting your small business. By following these steps and conducting thorough research, you can make an informed decision about which industry offer the most promising revenue opportunities for your new small business. So if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing as we dive into the small business world from different angles every week. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.